These are my vegan Akee and Saltfish fritters. These bad boys are delicious. I have all of my ingredients, my green Caribbean herb seasoning, just everything that I need to flavor these fritters. Into the bowl goes my dry ingredients. I'm starting off with some spelt flour, and then I have a bit of baking powder. Season that with a bit of salt, pepper, and I sweeten it with just a splash of agave nectar, not much. Go ahead and whisk in your water, and once that comes into a nice even consistency is when you're going to go ahead and add in your ingredients. And fold in all of your ingredients with the exception of the Akee, and make sure everything is nice and evenly dispersed. Then finally you are going to fold in the Akee very gently. Be sure to take your time because you don't want to mash the Akee. You want it to maintain its structure as much as possible. Go ahead and drop these into a pan of frying oil. I use canola oil. Once those are nice and golden brown, plate and they are ready to serve.